Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Judah X, the cutest creative on YouTube. And today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and it's a very quick, simple one. This was requested by my friend who asked me how I make my lips look so big and massive. First of all, my lips are God-given. I do have big lips naturally, but also I do use makeup to manipulate them and make them look bigger, so here's how I do this, vaguely. For this look, you're going to need a dark lip liner, clear lip gloss, and a lipstick that is lighter than the lip liner, or just matches your natural lip color preferably. The first thing that I do is outline the shape of my lips slightly above the natural lip line. Obviously this is overlining, and I think it's quite obvious that I'm doing that just by looking at my lips right now. But the thing is, I'm only filling in the line of my lips where there's an indent but no pigmentation. So the part of your lip that still holds the lip shape but isn't pink, like doesn't have your pink lip color naturally. And my lips are asymmetrical, so obviously I'm trying to even out the shape so it doesn't look too wonky or clown-like. And also, please don't overlay it further than necessary, little goes a long way. If you overline your lips up to the top of your cupid's bow, obviously that's not going to look good. A lot of people overline their lips extreme, and it's not going to look good from the side first of all, and also it's just not going to translate well in person and even in some photos, unless you do heavy editing. The next thing I'm doing is taking the lipstick in my natural lip color, and I am filling in the space where I didn't put lip liner and blending it into the lip liner. And I like to use my natural lip color because, I don't know, it just gives more of an illusion that my lips are bigger than they are because people are seeing the lip color that they're used to seeing on me naturally, but extended with dark lip liner. And the dark lip liner is basically contouring and making a shadow in a way that isn't really there to make the lips look bigger. And for the lip gloss, okay, this one isn't actually clear, but I couldn't find the clear one at Target. This has a slight pink tint to it, but yeah, I recommend using a clear lip gloss for this. Basically, I'm just going to overlay the entire lip with this lip gloss, and this is the big thing about making your lips look plumper and bigger, is making sure that your lips are glossy and have some kind of shine to them. If you try to make your lips look bigger with a matte lipstick or a matte look, in general, it's not going to really pass as easily in person and in photos. You definitely want to be glossy unless you're ready to do a bunch of contouring, and again, that's not going to look the best in person. Lastly, I'm just going to even everything out and make everything more balanced, so I'm adding more lip liner because I like that super intense dark lip liner, adding a little more lip gloss, and just adjusting things until my lips look spot on and not flat. Okay, lastly, I forgot to mention this, but like I was saying about adding shine to give the illusion of bigger lips, obviously brighter parts of your face are gonna look bigger, and again, this gives like a three-dimensional effect. So aside from the lip gloss, I put highlighter on top of my lips as soon as I'm done with everything, because it gives it a more intense shine, and also it just makes it look more three-dimensional because of the brightness. But yeah guys, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it made sense. I know it was very brief, but I wanted to make this pretty simple. And again, this isn't a super crazy look. There are plenty of tutorials, I'm sure, that do the same thing. But I just wanted to personally share, as requested, how I make my lips look bigger personally, like what I actually do to make my lips look plumper than they actually are. So thank you for watching the process. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more makeup content and time lapses of makeup. And this is my personal page, so I kind of post everything but my visual arts, which is Elysium Star Art, by the way, if you want to check out my business and support me. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Keep being awesome, keep being you, and yeah, much love. Bye.